Windows 11 24H2 is here, and it brought a massive privacy nightmare Microsoft recalled. This isn't just an AI feature, it's a data leak waiting to happen. Remember when keyloggers and screen grabbers were considered to be malware? It takes a continuous screenshot of everything you do, your credit card, numbers, private chats, even sensitive document. It records your entire screen history. Even if you don't have an AI PC, Recall is installed on your operating system. First, open CMD as administrator, then use the first command from my description to check the status. If it says yes enabled, your data at the risk now. To stop spying, use second command to permanently disable it. Run the check command again. It should now say disabled. You are finally safe. Here used to be a time where Microsoft took the time to hide their backdoors. Now they are features. This is an automated keylogger built directly into your operating system. Advertising surveillance as invitation, you must disable this.